That's an
so
action
cute.
camera.
So cute.
Take a chance, have faith, my lad. You got all of the same tools all the greats have had. 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 2 hands. You could watch.
Excuse me? Are you trying to take a picture? Are you trying to take a picture of yourself?
No, I was searching for network.
Network? Okay, cool.
Cosplaying is so weird. You put on this costume and suddenly you're not you anymore. You are this idea of someone. And I feel that's the whole point of it.
When you cosplay, you feel great, you feel like the character themselves. So, is that because you're escaping reality, or you feel deeply, a part of you deeply connects to that character?
According to me, when I dress up as Ronald McDonald, I feel like I am Ronald McDonald. It's mostly because I gained extra 400 kgs and I'm
Wow.
walking around with very cool clothes.
They are
and
cool.
and I can sponsor McDonald's whenever I want. And eat. No, we don't talk about that.
You can sponsor, or do you want McDonald's to sponsor you?
I want them to sponsor me so I can get free burgers for the rest of my life.
Misa is pretty hot, and when I dress up as Misa, I gain self-confidence because if Misa is hot, then I can be hot too, right? So like that's my motivation behind cosplay because it helps me be more confident about myself and like it helps me talk to people outside my house. So it's just something to build confidence.
I'm Till. My Till.
Yeah.
Mine. I'm Till. I was born to be Till, okay? My ribosomes were Till. So like my zygote is also Till. Oh yeah, for me, I am kind of like escaping reality, but at the same time, I love Ivan. I am Ivan. Again,
You are, yeah.
my ribosomes are Ivan. My mitochondria is Ivan. So I'm mostly to escape reality because I enjoy being in other characters rather than being myself all the time. So it's like a escape.
All of the lean, put the coke inside the weed, the niggas seasoning the greens. Rap game turned from the slingers to the fiends, but I'm in between, I mean, I ain't picking teams, but I had a dream like King, fucking on this pretty little bit queen, I mean, point me to the cheese, niggas talking cream, park the car, I'm about to part the seas.
So for me, I love to connect with the character like on a mental and like personal level, and also it sort of made me connect with myself.
Interesting.
Yes, with
Okay.
the inner thoughts which are like lost, because I cannot take out blood like Choso in real life. It's not legal, guys.
Yeah. I mean, you can try in the future.
Not on me.
Yeah, so good question by the way. I think it's kind of both for me. Like it starts with when I start watching an anime, it starts with because I want to escape my reality, right? But when I connect with the character or I like a particular character in the anime, that's more so because I connect with that particular person or the character they're playing. So even for Nanami, I think the thing I'm most connected with was he had this whole corporate job that he wanted to
Right.
escape. I have a corporate job.
I know.
The 9 to 5, I don't want to work overtime and all that, right? So it feels like when I see Nanami, it feels like me seeing what could have been kind of a version. Like I am in this corporate, but I could have been, not me personally, but could have been, right? So I think it starts with an escape, but then you start connecting with a particular character or more than one characters in the anime.
I mean, it's the same for me. It's the same for me because like how Choso, he loves his brothers, by the way. He doesn't care how they look like, what their backstory is.
Right.
But he is just there for them, and it is sort of like me because I am always there for my people. Or even though like if I don't know someone and they just ask for help, they reach out, I am always there for them. So I sort of connect with that. And also Choso has like a very uninterested personality if you look at him, but he's actually very invested in people. So that's somewhat like me because people have told me that I look very unapproachable. But
Is it?
yeah, but then it's very opposite to what I am. So yeah,
You look pretty approachable.
thank you.
Perception is everything. You don't feel confident because the costume has any powers. You feel confident because of what you believe about the character. It's all about how you perceive them. You've seen them broken down, beaten, and still rising. So when you step into the outfit, you feel like you borrow some of that resilience, some of that strength and confidence. So it is your perception of them that changes your perception of yourself. I mean, yeah, people look at you differently, they hype you up. They also find you hot in some of the outfits. They treat you like the character you're portraying. And not gonna lie, it does boost you for a moment. It does give you that quick dopamine hit. But I feel all that is secondary. How everyone else sees you can influence how you feel, but how you see yourself always holds the higher ground. Every single time. And this isn't just about cosplay, look at politics. People don't vote based on who a politician really is. They vote on who they're perceived to be. It doesn't really matter if someone's good or bad. If the packaging is right, it mostly is pretty tight. If they're shown to you as a savior or a villain, that's what your mind accepts. It doesn't see past the perception. Perception becomes truth. Not because it is the truth, but because that's what your mind chooses to see and accept as truth. It's so powerful that it's pretty scary. It says a lot about our reality. Because we don't live in our own reality, we live in a reality that we choose to see, that we choose to perceive as reality. So when you cosplay and you step into a character and you suddenly feel more alive, more energetic, more confident, that's not the costume working for you, that's you understanding how perception shapes reality. And all of this is coming from how you perceive the character. And maybe that's the reminder that the power was never in the character. The world just showed you a version of yourself you didn't know you could believe in. And that's what cosplay does to you.
It is an escape. Got it.